doing? It's Lee from Hermy's, back in the garage again. And today we're going to be discussing a real common accessory that we sell in the store, and that is auxiliary lighting. Specifically, my favorite brand that I do on my bikes is Clearwater. And they do a lot of different models, different sizes. And we're going to do a little bit of a practical application, show you some of the mounts, some of the ways I've mounted them on my bikes, and then we're going to do some photos at night to give you an idea of just how bright they are and which one might be the best one suited for what you're trying to do. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show you the bikes, and then we're going to show you some side-by-side comparison of photos at night so you can get a feel for them. First, we have a set of Darlas that are fender mounted on my 2018 S1000R. And you can see the Darlas are a very compact application, great for sport bikes, or if you're looking for something that provides you a whole ton of light without taking a whole lot of room. Next, on my 2015 Triumph Straight Triple, I have a pair of Ericas mounted as headlights. Now the Ericas are much larger than the Darlas, about twice as big, but they do also throw a lot more light. Next, on my 2016 BMW R9T, I have an Erica Sevina hybrid. Now, this is an option. If you order Ericas, you can always opt to have a Sevina as a second light. It's a small upcharge to get more of a pencil beam. Moving on to the big guns. We got my GS and my GSA, both of them decked out with a pair of Dixie lights. Now these are the big boys from Clearwater. You can see I have the yellow covers on them. Now I'll be taking the covers off so that we have a fair comparison using the white lights with all of them. But every one of these light models, they do offer both clear and yellow light covers. It's a great add-on to protect the light and give you some options for a little less glare coming off the lights when you're in adverse conditions. Well, hey, that about wraps things up today, and I hope you learned something. But a couple more things to keep in mind. The average install on these lights, as long as you're not doing anything custom, is going to be about 4 hours. So keep that in mind. If you want to get a set of these lights for your bike, give me a call at the store or email me. I'm happy to get you current pricing on those as well. So, hey, hope to see you out there, and if you're rocking Clearwater lights, I know I'll see you out there riding. And if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're always trying to put out new content. Let us know what you want to hear.